Embrace financial freedom, the FIRE movement explained. Financial independence, retire early, or FIRE, is more than just a catchy acronym. It's a revolutionary approach to personal finance that has gained significant traction in recent years. It represents a life-altering decision to take control of your finances and achieve freedom on your own terms. This movement encourages individuals to rethink their relationship with money and work. Imagine a life where you are no longer tethered to a 9-to-5 job, where your time is truly your own, and where you have the flexibility to pursue your passions without financial constraints. This vision is at the heart of the FIRE movement. The FIRE movement is about breaking free from the traditional retirement model, which often involves decades of work followed by a few short years of enjoyment. Instead, it advocates for a more balanced approach to life and work. Instead, FIRE enthusiasts aim to achieve financial independence early in life, allowing them to retire from traditional work and live off their investments and passive income streams. This requires diligent saving, smart investing, and often a frugal lifestyle. This approach empowers individuals to design a life of purpose and fulfillment, free from the limitations of a traditional career path. It opens up opportunities to explore new hobbies, start a business, or simply enjoy more leisure time. Whether it's traveling the world, spending time with loved ones, or pursuing creative endeavors, FIRE provides the financial security and time freedom to make those dreams a reality. The movement is about creating a life that is rich in experiences and personal growth. The FIRE movement is not about deprivation or extreme frugality. It's about making intentional choices that align with your long-term goals and values. It's about making conscious choices about your spending and investing wisely to create a life of abundance and purpose. This might mean cutting back on unnecessary expenses, but it also means investing in things that truly matter to you. It's about aligning your financial goals with your values and aspirations and designing a life that brings you joy and fulfillment. By focusing on what truly matters, you can build a future that is both financially secure and deeply satisfying. Assess your financial landscape, knowing where you stand. Before embarking on your FIRE journey, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of your current financial situation. This is the foundation upon which all your future financial decisions will be built. This involves taking a comprehensive inventory of your income, expenses, assets, and debts. Knowing these details will help you identify your financial strengths and weaknesses. Start by tracking your spending meticulously for a month or two. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and help you spot any patterns or habits that might be hindering your savings. Categorize your expenses to identify areas where you can potentially cut back. Look for non-essential spending that can be reduced or eliminated without significantly impacting your quality of life. Next, create a detailed budget that aligns with your FIRE goals. This budget should be realistic and sustainable, allowing you to save aggressively while still covering your essential needs. Determine how much you can realistically save each month while still maintaining a comfortable lifestyle. It's important to strike a balance between saving for the future and enjoying the present. Remember, financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint, so it's essential to find a balance between saving aggressively and enjoying the present moment. This balance will help you stay motivated and avoid burnout. Once you have a firm grasp of your cash flow, it's time to assess your net worth. This is a crucial step in understanding your overall financial health. List all your assets, including savings accounts, retirement funds, and any investments you may have. Don't forget to include any valuable possessions that could be liquidated if necessary. Subtract your liabilities, such as student loans, credit card debt, and mortgages, to determine your net worth. This figure will give you a clear picture of your financial standing. This figure serves as a baseline for measuring your progress toward financial independence. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about your financial situation, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. By understanding your current financial standing, you can set realistic goals, track your progress, and make informed decisions to accelerate your journey toward FIRE. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan will keep you on track and help you achieve your financial independence goals more efficiently. Frugal living, spending less, and saving more. Frugality is a cornerstone of the FIRE movement. It's about being mindful of your spending habits and making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. However, frugality doesn't have to mean deprivation or sacrificing your quality of life. It's about finding creative ways to save money without compromising on the things that matter most to you. One effective strategy is to differentiate between your needs and wants. Needs are essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation, while wants are discretionary items that enhance your lifestyle but aren't strictly necessary. By prioritizing your needs and finding ways to reduce your wants, you can free up a significant portion of your income for savings and investments. Explore alternative options for common expenses. Consider downsizing your living space, cooking more meals at home instead of eating out, and finding affordable entertainment options. Embrace minimalism by decluttering your home and selling or donating items you no longer use. The less you own, the less you have to clean, maintain, and worry about. Supercharging your savings rate. Practical tips and tricks. Saving a significant portion of your income is crucial for achieving FIRE, which stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. This concept revolves around accumulating enough wealth to live off your investments, allowing you to retire much earlier than traditional retirement age. While it may seem daunting at first, there are practical tips and tricks you can implement to supercharge your savings rate and accelerate your journey toward financial independence. By making small, consistent changes to your financial habits, you can see significant improvements over time. Start by automating your savings. This simple step can make a huge difference in your ability to save consistently. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts each month. This ensures that a portion of your income is saved before you have a chance to spend it. This pay yourself first approach ensures that you consistently prioritize saving. By treating your savings like a non-negotiable expense, you can build a substantial financial cushion over time. Negotiate lower rates on recurring expenses such as car insurance, internet, and phone bills. These monthly expenses can add up, and reducing them can free up more money for savings. Often, a simple phone call or email can result in significant savings. Don't be afraid to ask for discounts or shop around for better rates. Explore cashback rewards programs and utilize coupons and discounts whenever possible. These small savings can accumulate over time and contribute to your overall financial goals. Small savings add up over time. By being mindful of your spending and looking for opportunities to save, you can make a big impact on your financial health. Consider increasing your income through side hustles or freelance work. Diversifying your income streams can provide additional financial security and help you reach your savings goals faster. Whether it's driving for a ride-sharing service, selling handmade crafts online, or offering your skills as a virtual assistant, there are numerous opportunities to generate extra income in today's gig economy. These side jobs can be flexible and fit around your existing schedule. Use the additional income to boost your savings rate and reach your FIRE goals faster. By combining increased income with disciplined saving and smart financial management, you can achieve financial independence and enjoy the freedom it brings.